Hello, this is a painting of a flower named Echinacea. It has got antiviral properties and it can easily defeat coronavirus. So let's draw this flower very carefully. So we'll keep the copy in portrait form and we'll start with the sketch. The sketch is very simple. We'll start from the center of the flower and we'll draw each and every petal accurately. So it is a realistic flower, so the petals will not be symmetrical. So you have to see how the petals are and then draw. You also should draw the left side petals and the top petals, but all the petals should have accurate sketch. Finally, the right side petals and the stem. That's it. The sketch is over. Get ready with your water. Now the first step is wet on wet. We'll put water in the background. We'll ensure no water goes inside the petals, and then we'll apply sap green first, wet on wet, and on top of that viridian hue, wet on wet. So both the background colors are wet on wet, but ensure it doesn't go inside the petal. Now we will prepare very light pink. So just take crimson lake and add a lot of water to it. It becomes really light, and then wet on dry. Once the background has dried, wet on dry on the petals. Now this is the lighter version of the pink. Once the pink has dried, mix brown, little bit of brown with orange, and then apply in the center part of the flower. Just little bit of brown and wait for it to dry. Now this part is important. We'll take crimson lake and again make it little lighter. We'll add a very little bit of water, not as light as before, and then wet on dry we'll start applying on the petals wherever we see. So this crimson lake is not as light as before, but it is darker than the first wet on dry tone. And we'll do this accurately. So we'll check in each and every petal where all this medium tone is and we'll apply it. Wet on dry. Now we'll take crimson lake, so we're not lighting in anymore, and we'll again check in each of the petals where all crimson lake is and we'll apply it. So now it will have a brighter look. So all the three tones on the petals are done. Now we'll take brown and standing direction, small strokes on the center part of the flower. For the stem, we'll just take sap green and then soften it with lemon yellow. Now wet on dry, we are applying viridian hue now in the background. So this is wet on dry, so it will retain its brightness, and be careful, it should not go inside the petals. Then the viridian hue will get softened by light green. Light green is viridian hue plus lemon yellow, and it will get softened by light green. The edge of the viridian hue should be smudged. On the edge of light green, you can smudge it with water. Then we'll take medium yellow or deep yellow, doesn't matter, and make the structure of the butterfly. There's no need to draw the butterfly, you can write with the structure using the color directly. Wet on dry. And then we'll take black and we'll make the marks on the butterfly and we'll write one with the nature. This says that we should be with the nature and not abuse the nature. It's a very simple drawing. All the best.